Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, August 30th, 2018. Well, we have a cold front that is going to be moving through the region today. It still hasn't moved through yet, but we do have a trough that is moving through the region right now that is leading to winds veering to the northwest. Still a bit humid out there with temperatures this morning ranging from the upper 70s to mid 80s throughout the region. Notice the dew points are still up there as well in the upper 60s to mid 70s. But drier and cooler weather is on the way, especially by tomorrow, as a polar marine air mass builds into the region. In the meantime, though, we're going to be dealing with a cold front that's going to be moving through. Here's the cold front right back here. Now, that cold front is producing a few isolated showers, but we're not really looking at any type of significant severe weather outbreak at all today. Just a few isolated showers, maybe a few thunderstorms. But for the most part, we're looking at a dry frontal passage as this cold front moves through. When we take a look at the latest visible satellite picture, you can see, for the most part, we had a few low clouds. This frontal boundary is really just producing a lot of low and mid-level clouds. We're not really seeing any blossoming cumulus clouds with this cold front passage. So what that basically tells us is that there isn't a lot of what we call lift in the atmosphere for this cold front. So look for a few isolated to widely scattered showers, an isolated thunderstorm, but for the most part, scattered cloud cover today. When we take a look at the surface map, there is our cold front right here. It will push off the coast by the time we get to this evening and then linger off the coast for tomorrow and for Saturday, keeping a threat for a few showers in the forecast. So let's get to this forecast. For today, an isolated shower or thunderstorm moved through with the cold front. Temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 80s. A few lower 90s are possible in your urban locations. The New York City Metro and much of Connecticut still remains in a heat advisory, as our heat index will still remain around the mid 90s, but improvement is on the way. For this evening, the cold front will drop south and stall over the coastal waters, keeping variable cloud cover and a threat for isolated to widely scattered showers. Look for lows tomorrow in the lower 70s. Tomorrow, highs will rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s in the Philadelphia metro, mid to upper 70s in the New York City metro and Long Island, with a threat for a few widely scattered showers. Now again, this is not a washout, so if you have any plans for tomorrow to kick off the Labor Day weekend, don't cancel them. Just beware and keep an umbrella with you and have a backup plan just in case. These showers will not last long and they generally will be on the light side. Same scenario for Saturday. That frontal boundary lingers off the coast, variable cloud cover in place with a threat for some isolated to widely scattered showers. For the most part, we're looking at the majority of the rain setting up for Friday night into Saturday morning. And then it kind of lingers about throughout the day on Saturday. But as you move on through the afternoon, they become more and more isolated in nature. Look for lows in the lower 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the region. For Sunday, drier conditions expected. Still an isolated shower possible, but for the most part, we're looking at scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the lower 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, lower to mid 80s everywhere else. On Monday, Labor Day, scattered cloud cover is expected. An isolated shower cannot be ruled out. Look for lows in the lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, this frontal boundary will remain to the north of the region, but continues to produce a threat for isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, scattered cloud cover can be expected, with locally dense fog possible in the morning. Temperatures throughout the region will range from the lower to mid 70s for lows and mid to upper 80s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there and enjoy your Labor Day weekend.